Hey cutie! Hey cutie! I can't reach that note right now. Hi. If you guys follow the vlog channel, link in the description. Sick! Ew! And I've literally just been sitting on the couch drinking lemon tea for 2 days now. And today, I'm like, you know what? I need to film a video, even if I sound like this. So girl, we're gonna follow a Jeffree Star makeup tutorial. I haven't chose at all which one. Send good thoughts. I'm just gonna type in Jeffree Star tutorial. Okay, I've selected Red Hot blood sugar makeup tutorial. Red hot girl? This is a cattail. Yay. It's not a worm, just, you know, sprouting from me. I do not have the blood sugar makeup palette. Oh my god, my voice. I think Lipstick Nick is gonna do this. That means I'm really not gonna be able to do this. Oh well. Is the blood sugar palette worth it? I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. Should I get it? Wait, there's no foundation part? Girl, but I love that eye. So I guess I'm gonna be following two. They don't show foundation, like how to get a sugar daddy makeup tutorial. We're gonna use that for our foundation because the face looks beat in this. Ah! Some expensive primer. I'm just gonna use the Kat Von D one. Wait, I just automatically put it on my finger. What does he do? Oh, of course, coat my fingers. Okay, good. Coat fingers. Oh my god, he like rubs it in like lotion, like vigorously. Oh my god. This looks like a heavy coverage foundation, so I'm gonna use my Kat Von D Lock-It. It was all sped up and shit, so should I do it really fast? He looked like he was doing this. He literally just dotted foundation with a damn beauty blender all over his face in sped up motion, so let's follow along. Don't have that concealer. I don't do concealer this way. On the chin? Okay. Okay, just gonna use this. Press it. Now we're applying powder with the beauty blender. I feel like this is gonna be really cakey. The trick though, look how flawless my skin looks. Oh my god. I feel like I'm like getting graded on my look. Like I'm like freaking out. Now we're brushing off the powder. Do I have any products you do? We're gonna contour with a brush kind of like this. And what happened? The cheeks. Oops. That looks better. Cheeks, jawline, forehead, or in my case, 5 head. Yes. Literally took like a peach highlight, went like this. Yes. I'm using Nicole Guerrero, Anastasia. And then took like a white one and went even more and like up here. Hi. Why up here? What? Why? Base is down. Do I look the same? I'm going back to the Red Hot. We're spraying this on our hand. It's dripping. And then taking it, then putting it on her eye. Cool. I'm gonna take this Modern Renaissance one, the Primavera. It kind of looks like it. Oh, putting that Fix Plus down, girl. Look at the pop. We're gonna cut the crease. We're gonna cut the crease with lipstick. I'm gonna use the Kat Von D one. Is that like a clash? Because they're like, we're not getting into tea. We're just gonna use Kat Von D in a Jeffree Star tutorial. Girl. Okay, so we take lipstick. Oh, Lord help me. So this is the crease. We'll just cut it like this. Girl, what? It's cut. And then we blend it out with no product. It like lost all the intensity. Lipstick on my eyes. Should we intensify it? Oh god, cool. Mine doesn't blend like yours does. Ew. Okay, wait. He just said there's gonna be no brows. So blend this up. I'm gonna put the crease a little higher. No brows. We're having no brows. We're having an alien moment. Well, I can't cover my brows. Well, maybe I could, but there's no tutorial in this tutorial for that, so we're just gonna cut it. Oh my god, this is a flop. Okay. Oh, looks kind of cool actually. Juvia's Place has got a pinky red. Put a little bit of this red in it. We'll mix these two. Okay, yeah, that's that. Oh, what did I click? Click. Blend. Oh shit. Oh, look at me. I'm honestly better than Jeffree Star's makeup artist. In my world. Hi. I'm gonna make this softer. Right now it's a little harsh. And then I'm gonna go back with this highlight we did because we want like a pure white apparently. And my brows, that's just where he's putting it. course she's putting it on him, and I'm gonna look real cute. I literally look nothing like this. I think it's like a dark purpley brown, which this Anastasia, this is a subculture. Modern Renaissance. It doesn't even look like I have a cut crease anymore. Well, kind of, that's what we're gonna do here. Maybe not with a fluffy brush. We're darkening this part. Look at that, darkened it right up. I didn't really cut it there. Cutty! So now we're, quote, packing white. Like that's pretty much exact white. And it goes in like kind of like a weird, or not weird, girl, no one's weird, everyone's great. We're cutting the bottom crease. Jesus, take the wheel. So we're literally starting here and then, oh, girl, I'm a makeup artist. Why'd it go wrinkly? Wait, I should make it even. Oh, girl. Oh no! I look like I'm about to do like some sacrifice or something like that. Now the darkest shade in the palette, it literally looks like this. This cypress umber literally sounds exactly what's happening right here. This is a cypress umber. And we're darkening up right here. Oh, ooh, I love that. Oh, I kind of really like that. I really packed that on though. Let's just make this one more. Yes! Ooh, this one's cute. Okay, now there's a bright fun purple, so I'm using Love Letter. And we go a little down here. Oh my god. The bottom I feel like is working way better. Why are we going so low? Like, who wears this? I mean, Jeffree Star is a queen. So we have some color I don't have. So we're just gonna try to use like, they use like some bright orange. Like, I don't own orange. And like right here where this meets, we're just gonna put some orange. Does it look orange? Does this look orange? I'm literally using like Juvia's Place on Anastasia back and forth. I mean, it kind of looks like it. Why is this not blended? Girl, your whole look isn't blended. I can't do liquid liner because I have lash extensions. Well, I don't own liquid liner that doesn't have the shit that like makes my eyelashes fall off. There's probably some out there. I just don't own it. So I'm gonna use shadow. I'm gonna use a black shadow and literally pretend, but this is so hard to do like a wing. And do a little bit. Oh, Jesus. Yes. And I'm using Kylie. Wasn't there just drama with Kylie and Jeffree like a day ago with the PR? Cool. I'm really not shading. If you think I'm shading, like this is like just the brands I own. Okay, I'm gonna do lashes last. So for the pink, I'm gonna use the Jeffree Star one in 714. Kind of just like outlining in pink. I'm overdrawing my lips because Jeffree has huge, nice full lips. And in the middle, there's like a really light nude, so I'm doing Anastasia Milkshake. Okay, I have lash extensions, like I said, so I can't put on fake lashes. So just grab the biggest ones I got that kind of looked like it, and I'm just gonna set them like near. Oh my god, looks like it's falling off, because it is. This better not ruin my lashes. So these are gonna kind of look like they're falling off, okay? I'm following the best I can with my body. So like, I kind of have Snooki vibes. Not shade, that is shade, but I love Snooki. Snooki after the club. Okay, now I have these like cheapy little lashes. Wait, how did they put them on the bottom? Wait, where? Oh, you flip them upside down. I just stick them underneath. Ah! So here's the completed look. Let me know what you guys think. Is it good? Is it bad? Just, I want honest opinions. So thank you so much for watching my makeup tutorial. I suggest you guys just follow along with Jeffree and his makeup artists, because you'll probably scare people. I mean, I tried, and that's all we can say is that I tried. I think just natural makeup and simple, colorful looks will be good for me. I like Jeffree Star's makeup tutorials. I think he's a great human being. Okay.